Hi, we are Dave and Jenny Mars, and we are here to share some tips on sustainability, what it means to us.
Very simple little things each day, just being really mindful of the way we use energy or water, turning the light off when you leave the room.
Yep.
Really simple things that we try to teach our kids that do make a big difference in the long run. And then of course there's big things like technology and incorporating sustainable technology into your home. The reason we partnered with Daikin on this sustainability series is because of the work that they're doing.
It is a 6-part miniseries where we actually dive into some of these issues of sustainability that seem overwhelming. And we're at a point now that we really need to start thinking about some of these issues. Daikin is already doing it. Daikin is bringing technology to the forefront, and we talk about a lot of that in this mini-series.
You can find the sustainability series at sustainabilityseries.com.